Hey guys, hello, hello, hello. How are you all? How's it going? So today we are Friendship Day, and that today main revision about the what part we have discussed and the ranking board. So let us begin today's class with so much of happiness, enjoyment, and talkative. So we literally like to invite each and everyone, and it should be a great moment to share our thoughts, happiness, and everything. So let us discuss about the things. So let us. So here we have get our the toppers today's year we have with us to discuss the things, understand and learning, giving us a new point, new things to understand. So let us talk with them. First is the Vismay. So let's start with a little bit class and discuss with them what is her thoughts, ideas and things. You can listen last time. Sorry to tell you all that we have called for our first stopper, but yeah, it's me. He's busy. So let us go to second, who is Big Boy. Because so let us discuss with him and let us call him. Sorry to not get the second also. Let us call to the third. That we have just called for the first topper. So if call is going on, so we will go to discuss ahead what is the thoughts. The first, this my that a great point. Hey Vidwat, I am from the hello. Hey Vidwat, I am from the development and classroom of model. It is a very great point. You have announced to the three sections of being the first prize along with that development tab. So your name is on the leaderboard. What is your thought to express? Your call is going. I record your secrets of all the everyone is just quite express. Can you have any talk about what you feel now and what you are going to tell about us? And how Visma, I am Noor Muhammad from the Training and Development. You have got the first first ranking board, and I'm calling to your call is going on live session. So let's share your thoughts, things, and what you have learned yet. Can you share with us? Are you ready?
Yes,
Yeah. So please start.
this is the one like able to online to online tutor. It is a very beautiful process with examples. Very fun.
So can you able?
Then it teach me teach six chapters, three or four I think, and it was a very beautiful classes which is made by Noor Muhammad Mandal, and it teach about artificial intelligence, artificial intelligence, cyber security, and Python chapter. It was a so beautiful, and he teach so much. He has in his small age, he is a member in the world to me of intelligence.
More talk
Thank
about.
you.
Okay, so let us that the first topper who has get to three and four three chapter we have discussed till here, the artificial intelligence foundation and the Python, and the first chapter was teacher by me the cybersecurity. It was a nice they have attended, and they have till now what the sessions will going they have attended, as he has gone the participant first ranking. And we're happy that our this much of platform in what must take solution private limited, we have get a champion student that they have get in this much of thing. So thank you so much Rismai to join us, celebrate with us, and being the best member for us. To let us again tell you, be the best in the world, learn and grow. Our last thought every time, build, learn, grow. And this
Thank you
one, yeah, continue.
in your and training development.
That I have understand who have a lack of interested about the thing. And today here we have celebrating the friendship day with the gratitude day for us, for the things who have achieved the point. This is not success is nothing. Success is that what you have done, that better than yesterday you have to done more, and you want to show for world that I have done. You have now get a name on our platform. Next you will get a your name on Google, a big like platform like Microsoft, and more we have get that success point. Thank you Vismai for attending the call. Thank you so
Thank
much. Let us are you have more about the things? Are you interested to talk about more things, or let we end the call?
nothing.
Okay, thank you, Vismay, for attending the call. It is a live session recorded call. Thank you so much. So we have done the first topper and position first to have get Vismay, then second is Vidworth. We are trying to again call them. So till the call, we'll enjoy the music.
The hardest thing is to get started. You have to get it on paper.
I think we have not get the second topper. No problem. Let me have this person. Thank you. Third is that so let us clap for them also. Let us call for them also. Hey Nandan, we are from the development and training team, and let us discuss the thing you have get the third place on the sessions live and activeness. So let us celebrate this week. Today we have celebrating the friendship day. So what you have learned, what is your thoughts? Tell to us. We are here to listen your thoughts. Thank you. Hey Nandan, can you please? Nandan, can you have any talkative about the thing you have get the third place on the ranking that we have explaining with you? Can you please tell what you have learned? What is your thoughts for us? I think you are now getting the things. Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye. So we have no topic left. Nandan, I think no problem. Let us go to fourth category. Let us start again. Sorry to sorry to tell you all that you are not the graduate. No problem. Let me go with the I. Chronic killers is not their guardian also. So let us consider Lachiman is the person to have joined. Let me try to contact our segment. Sorry for your let's could not get back from the no problem. So let us go to the next surprise. So surprise is about the things. Next, Qatar will be announcement, and we have going to celebrate Independence Day and the announcement of the things we have got ready with the gameplay session and more things. So let me discuss about the revision. One more thing that I have wanted. We have discussed everything. The hidden secret reveal, the property hidden secret reveal, it will give it and give and participant have all discussed surprises to give so that we have got first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. They are going to achieve the certificate on the Independence Day, and they are getting the title of Royal Warners, who had get this title as the Golden Award thing, and yet extra point about the things. So the secret thing is talk with main heads. So our head uh, so let we talk with our head also.